Alright, we on? We live? I don't know what day or what time it is because the shit all just flows together.
And you wear the same clothing.
And I wear the same clothes, so nah, no. I do got some work clothes. It is a little nasty. You want me to change? Alright, you here with Steve from Tricked Out Cycles. We just finished up on another one of our build, and we brought an old school bike back to life. What we're working on is a 2001 or 2000? 2002, 954? Yeah,
I know you're doing my bike, Steve. Go ahead.
Who else bike am I talking about?
Oh, I thought you were talking about that bike.
This is the bike we're talking about. Get in the picture. Damn, you embarrassing your shit. When you ride the fuck out of here, you better not be embarrassing this shit, dog. You're fronting right now.
No, that one I do.
We just brought it inside so we weren't cold to talk about your bike. Get in the shop.
Oh, okay. I thought you was going to shoot that bike, though.
Alright, man. Alright, listen. This is my man Larry. He been coming to me. How many years have you been coming to me, Larry?
He's 13, 14, Steve.
Since you were 14 years old. You hear that? I was like 50 years, folks. I'm like 85 years old. So he been coming to me for a minute. Been working on still the same damn bike though, too, right?
Oh, yeah. No, I had the 954 before.
You love that Honda.
Yeah, I do.
Team Honda, alright? So he had his bike for years, keep on his boys, keep on to get a booster, get this, get that. So he's still holding on to that Honda love. So he brought his Honda in here, and what we did, we gave it a little upgrade here. We got ahead and did the 300 tire kit on there. We did a quick little paint match on your tank. And we did a little light up visor to match his helmet. So he's a pit bull lover like myself. So let's go look at his bike, do a quick walk around on it, and see how we brought this old school into the new style. All right? Let's go outside, check it out. I can't believe it. All right, here you go, folks. So he's been keeping this baby clean for years. So we already had the factory chrome wheel on the front. So what we did, we went ahead and did the replica back wheel in the 300 styles with one of our tricked out swing arms. We got the caliper mount on the bottom that we convert them over to. We had to remodify the Brox exhaust that I fabricated to fit on there because that don't belong on there. But you know, using the factory header system, we made that fit. We just had to space it out, get a little bit more clearance because the swing arm is so much wider. And then from there, we added a quick little black coat. His tank was white before we wanted to shoot it black, so we shot it black. And we also did a light up windscreen, which we have some video of, and we'll have to show that later, of the Pitbull light up windscreen, which seems to be a very popular one. We've done several of them as a display of my dog, and my dog's, everybody's dog. So here it is. Yeah, I'm real happy with this job, real clean. It's nice to see bringing the old bikes back to life because new technology sometimes ain't fitting, you know what I mean? You know, thank God I ain't got no carburetor. They still fuel injected and shit, you know. Some carburetor bikes are a little fun to work on at times, so they sit, but this is a nice bike. Still has all the powers, still has the performance. Now with a big tire kit, you know, so you're gonna be slow rolling with your boys a little bit more. But I love seeing bikes that are generation past come back to life. It's really cool. Yeah, like if you know me, I got my 87 Gixxer 1100. I got my 99 CBR 900 RR. So I love older bikes when you bring them back and clean them up. So, Larry, what do you think, man? Did we do what you needed done?
You did me right, Steve.
All right, brother.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, hopefully we're gonna get you out there riding with us this summer so this damn weather breaks.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna be doing some meetups. Gonna be going through New Hope. You're gonna have to try to hold on because I'm gonna be wheeling, dog. You better throw that thing in high gear.
I watch you.
You filming?
I watch.
All right, we're gonna put the GoPro on the front and back, and we just pass and lap his ass on the back road. But you're gonna be looking good though.
I appreciate it.
You got that big
I look good being last.
Hey, somebody gotta be last player.
That's it.
You know what I'm saying? So another happy guy. You riding this home?
Oh no, I got my trailer.
Yeah, it's cold as shit. Cause I was gonna say I'll sell you a jacket, I'll sell you some gloves. I'm always on that bitch. You know what I'm saying? We got heated underwear in there, battery operated socks, a whole 9 yards.
I hear you, Steve.
I really don't, but but some bullshit. So let's go out here. We got another Honda family member of yours dropping one off. One out and one in. I know, right? Oh shit, we got the straight Chino in the house. Straight from China. The coronavirus is all over. I ain't saying, man, open that box. I can't look. Put that on the side. We gotta get some gloves on and open this shit up. You know what I mean? I don't know what's in there. You know they were sick when they made this shit. Fucked up Friday in the Shanghai Valley. Ain't going for that. So shit gets real out there. We got gloves and masks. Get me all my protection gear on. I ain't playing. I ain't touching this shit. Get in there, boy. I call out sick tomorrow. You know what your ass. So a lot of people's bikes ain't gonna be fixed. That's all I'm saying. blown out forks here. I don't know what this is. What's that, cat fur on there? You got a cat?
I got that on a ticket.
Was it in the laundry room? Like lint? Okay, it's just lint and like fur on there. Yeah, something's going on in there though, but that has to be addressed again. So we're gonna have to look at that regardless.
Definitely the brakes though.
Yeah, I see the brake. You got no brake pressure on there.